Chiang Mai High, where temples touch the sky. Chiang Mai, nestled in northern Thailand, blends rich culture with natural beauty. Explore the majestic Doi Suthep Temple, offering panoramic views and spiritual peace. Wander through the old city's ancient walls, home to centuries-old temples like Wat Chetty Luang. Dive into local flavors at the Night Bazaar or Sunday Walking Street, where street food and handmade crafts shine. For nature lovers, visit an ethical elephant sanctuary, trek through lush jungles, or chase waterfalls like Bua Thong, Sticky Falls. Don't miss a Thai cooking class to master local dishes like khao swa. In November, experience the magical Yi Peng Lantern Festival, lighting up the sky with thousands of floating lanterns. Chiang Mai is also a wellness haven, known for traditional Thai massages and serene yoga retreats. Its peaceful pace, friendly locals, and rich Lana heritage make it a must-visit. Whether you're seeking adventure, culture, or calm, Chiang Mai has it all in one unforgettable package. Good vibes only.